First, our vaccine team bringing you the latest at this hour. Today, the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines will be administered beginning in 40 Winn-Dixie stores and one Harvey supermarket for those 65 and older and first responders. Our vaccine team's Brianna Ray Turner is live at the Harvey's along Market Street with the very latest.
Yes, more vaccines is what we wanted, and that's what we got. So the Harvey supermarket distributing their first day of vaccines right here. And guess what? Take a look at this. They're already booked. No worries though, appointments will be reopening next week. No, I didn't get to speak to anyone because appointments haven't started yet, but when I went inside, it looked like the pharmacy was setting up and getting prepared for people's arrival. This week, Governor DeSantis spoke at his press conference announcing the state going through a federal retail pharmacy program that now will allow 490 pharmacy locations across 52 counties to start distributing vaccines. Now, starting tomorrow, Walmart will start with their allocations of the vaccine. And after talking to seniors this week, it seems like they are very excited to get their vaccine. I'm live in downtown Jacksonville. Brianna Ray Turner, First Kiss News, on your side.